On April 4, 1991, U.S. Senator from Pennsylvania John Heinz, along with 6 other people, died when a helicopter suffered a mid-air collision with the small airplane carrying Heinz over Lower Merion Township, Pennsylvania. Sadly, 2 of the 7 fatalities were children on the ground. Heinz is only one of many politicians that met an early demise in aircraft crashes, such as the following examples. In 1928, Congressman Thaddeus Sweet of New York became the first U.S. politician to die in an air wreck. In 1947 and again in 1962, state governors died in air wrecks, namely Governor Snell of Oregon and Governor Nutter of Montana. Governor Mickelson of South Dakota met a similar fate in 1993, as did Missouri Governor Carnahan in 2000. The 1970s saw 5 U.S. representatives killed in airplane accidents. Despite increased technology and safety measures, the 21st century continued to see U.S. politicians die in aircraft accidents, including a senator, a former senator, and a state senator. Foreign heads of state have also met air-related ends, including the President of Paraguay in 1940, the President of the Philippines in 1957, the former President of Brazil in 1958, the President of Iraq in 1966, another former President of Brazil in 1967, several more national leaders in the 1970s through the 1990s, and 5 national leaders since the year 2000. Foreign heads of government have fared equally poorly, with 10 such leaders meeting their fate in aircraft since 1936. As a question for my students and subscribers, have you ever seen an airplane crash? Please let us know in the comments section for this video.